All right, folks, so today we're raising hail and praising Dale, as those folks like to say. So, right here we have a Cobra 29, but it is the Dale Earnhardt edition. Not only is it the Dale Earnhardt edition, it is the Dale Earnhardt Senior edition. That's right, look at that awesome mustache right there. Pretty good shape. They don't make a whole lot of these. They didn't make them. The faceplate, it appears as if somebody had a sticker on here on the original faceplate, so it does show some wear. The microphone shows some wear. Somebody definitely did some talking on this radio, but it is peaked, tuned, added talkback, receive, upgrade, ready to rock. This radio is loud and proud and would make Dale Sr. himself proud. All right, so let's look at the dead key. Dead key's a whopping 3 watts. Hello. Swings to about 20. I'd expect to get 15 out of it. Just talking loud and proud. I really like this radio. Classic Cobra look with a little bit of personalization with one of the greatest racers out there. So if you're a Dale Earnhardt fan, if you're a Dale Earnhardt Senior collector, this is the radio for you. Peak tune, talkback, receive, upgrade, ready to go, guys. Corncob CB Shop on the eBay store and on the website, corncobcbshop.com. Thanks for watching. 7369, as always.